Despite the funny name, and perhaps not being as well known as push-ups or squats, burpees are a challenging exercise that work many of the major muscle groups in your body. A burpee is essentially a two-part exercise, a push-up followed by a leap in the air. Doing several burpees in a row can be tiring, but this versatile exercise may be worth the payoff, especially if you're looking for a way to build strength and endurance, while burning calories, and boosting your cardio fitness. The benefits of a burpee. 1. Burns calories. Most people can do about 20 burpees in a minute. 2. Offers a full-body workout. Burpees are a calisthenics exercise. This means they use your body weight for resistance. With burpees, the focus is on a full-body calisthenics workout that aims to build muscle strength and endurance in both your lower and upper body. A standard burpee exercise works to strengthen the muscles in your legs, hips, buttocks, abdomen, arms, chest, and shoulders. 3. Boosts cardio fitness and burns fat. Burpees can be performed as part of a high-intensity interval training (HIIT) regimen. HIIT is a type of cardio workout that requires you to do short bursts of intense exercise, followed by a short rest period. 4. Convenient and versatile. You don't need any equipment to do burpees. All you need is your own body weight and enough space to do the move. So, even if you're in a small apartment, a hotel room, or a tiny office, you can still get your blood pumping by doing burpees. If you want variety, it's easy to make some modifications to the standard burpee by including weights or adding an extra push-up or jump. How to do a burpee. The easiest way to describe a burpee is to think of it as a push-up followed by a jump squat. How to do a burpee with correct form. 1. Start in a squat position with your knees bent, back straight, and your feet about shoulder width apart. 2. Lower your hands to the floor in front of you so they're just inside your feet. 3. With your weight on your hands, kick your feet back so you're on your hands and toes, and in a push-up position. 4. Keeping your body straight from head to heels, do 1 push-up. Remember not to let your back sag or to stick your butt in the air. 5. Do a frog kick by jumping your feet back to their starting position. 6. Stand and reach your arms over your head. 7. Jump quickly into the air so you land back where you started. 8. As soon as you land with knees bent, get into a squat position and do another repetition. How to make it easier. If a standard burpee is too challenging at first, you can make some adjustments to dial down the intensity. Try these variations if you're new to burpees. Skip the push-up and jump. Start with a squat thrust. It starts out just like a burpee, but instead of doing a push-up and then jumping up, you simply begin in squatting position, kick your legs back so you're in a push-up position, and then return to your starting stance. Skip the jump. Instead of jumping into the air after the push-up, just return to the squat position. Skip the push-up. If your chest muscles or shoulders aren't ready for push-ups, hold a plank position for a couple of seconds instead of doing a push-up. You could also do a partial push-up until you build up more strength. How to make it more challenging. There are several ways to ramp up the difficulty of a standard burpee. Here are 3 examples. 1. Burpee box jump. For this variation, you'll need a plyo box or a bench or other solid object that will support your weight. Stand in front of the box in your usual squat position, but instead of dropping down to the floor for a push-up, place your hands on the box or bench, and do a modified push-up. Then, instead of jumping into the air, jump up on the box instead. Land gently on the floor, with your knees bent, and move straight into the next repetition. 2. Burpee with a bozu ball. With this variation, you'll use a bozu ball with the flat side up. 1. Start in a squat position with your knees bent, holding the outer edges of the bozu ball. 2. Lower your hands to the floor, holding the bozu ball. 3. Place the bozu ball directly beneath you, and place your hands on the flat surface while you do a push-up. 4. Then, grab the opposite edges of the bozu ball and lift it above your head as you stand straight up. 5. Lower it to the floor and repeat. 3. Burpee with dumbbells. 1. Start in a squat position holding a 5-pound dumbbell in each hand. 2. Lower yourself to the ground, with the dumbbells beneath your shoulders. Hold onto the dumbbells while you do the push-up. 3. Instead of jumping up, stand and raise both dumbbells above your head. 4. Lower the weights to your side and return to the starting position. 5. For an even greater challenge, you can jump while holding the dumbbells, but only if you can easily control the weights. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And for more interesting videos, subscribe to the channel.